I'm so excited. I've heard such great things about it, and it's so funny, and so I am ready for a good time tonight.
I mean, we know it's funny, but I can't wait to see what Roundabout Theater does with it. I can't wait to go support, the wonderful cast that's in it. And, as crazy it is, it's not that often that I get to go see great shows like this.
Yeah, no, see, I love Michael Frayn. I directed a show of his 3 years ago at the Donmar in England, and I think he's a genius. He can write very serious or he can write very funny. So I can't wait.
I am very excited to see the show. I saw the show many years ago, and it's one of my favorite plays. It's a classic, and I'm also here to support three of my really good friends.
I've seen it. I was offered it as an actor about 20 years ago at the Savoy Theatre, the guy who falls down the stairs, and I couldn't do it. I love the whole idea of farce, and yeah, so I can't wait.
Yeah, I remember seeing the first time they ever did it in London, which was directed by Michael Blakemore. And he said it wasn't the first night that they were most frightened. It was our very first preview that they did with an audience for the very first time. And he said the whole cast, they were wetting themselves before they went on because they had no idea whether it would be funny or not. And of course it turned out to be one of the funniest comedies that's ever been written.
This is such a great play. It's really hard to screw it up, and I've only heard great things, so I expect to laugh a lot tonight.
I can't wait to see this thing. I saw it in 1983, and I remember it being one of the funniest nights at the theater I ever had. So I brought my son tonight, and I hope he likes it as much as I did back then.